Hello, all. Welcome to the day 51 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Underground water tanks are very popular in India. It is usually used for large water tank storage and can be built cheaply using cement like materials. Underground water tanks are typically chosen by people who want to save space. The water in the underground water tank is not affected by extreme weather conditions. The underground water tank maintains cool temperatures in both winter and summer. A builder wants to build a tank to store water in an apartment. The volume of the rectangular tank will be modeled by V of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Question 1. He planned in such a way that its base dimensions are x plus 1 and x plus 2. How much does he have to dig? From the question, let's take down the V of x. Volume can be written as base area times h, which is equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Base area is x plus 1 times x plus 2. These dimensions have been given in the question times h. And the right hand side expression has to be factorized. By grouping, this can be written as x square times x plus 1 minus 4 times x plus 1, retaining the LHS as it is. Right hand side is x square minus 4 times x plus 1. H is equal to x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2, and x plus 1 already exists, divided by x plus 1 times x plus 2. On further simplifying, we get h as x minus 2. That is, the height to be dug is x minus 2 meters. Question 2. If x is equal to 4 meters, what is the volume of the water tank? In the place of x, let's substitute 4. So V of 4 is equal to 4 cube plus 4 square minus 4 times 4 minus 4, which is 60 meter cube. Question number 3. If x is equal to 4 and the builder wants to paint the entire inner portion of the water tank, what is the total area to be painted? To get the total area to be painted, first of all, we need to get the three dimensions. We have all the three dimensions in terms of x. Length is, if we take it as x plus 2, substituting x is equal to 4 here, length becomes 6 meters and breadth is x plus 1, which is 5 meters, and height is x minus 2, that is 2 meters. Total area to be painted is equal to the TSA of that cuboidal structure minus area of the top surface. TSA of cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL minus 1 LB. That is 2 times 6 times 5 plus 5 times 2 plus 2 times 6 minus 6 times 5, which is 74 meters square. So the total area to be painted is 74 meters square. Question number 4. If the cost of paint is rupees 25 per square meter, what is the cost of painting? Cost of painting 1 meter square is equal to rupees 25. Therefore, cost of painting 74 meter square is 25 times 74, which gives us rupees 1850. Question number 5. What is the storage capacity of this water tank? We have calculated the volume of the water tank already in question 2, which is 60 meter cube. Now that the question is asking storage capacity, which means that we have to give this answer in liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So the storage capacity of this tank is 60,000 liters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.